Are you looking for some new apps? We got you covered with the best new Android apps 2023. App developers are pushing the envelope on a daily basis, trying to improve and enhance our smartphone and tablet experiences. In fact, so many Android apps come out daily that it's difficult to track them all, especially when Google provides zero resources to help find new apps. It's difficult to usurp the best of the best, but if you're getting bored with what you've got and want to try something new, check out the best new Android apps 2023. The best Android apps 2023. Number 1. Find That Photo. Find That Photo is an app for browsing around the photos you have on your phone. It indexes the photos and uses AI to sort them with a variety of keywords. You can then search through your photos to find the one you're looking for. It worked okay in our testing, although there are some improvements that could be made over time. Usually, you can only get features like this from a cloud storage app like Google Photos. If this one continues to get better, you'll be able to do it on your phone with your non-backed up photos. Number 2. Galaxy Enhance X. Galaxy Enhance X is an app that is only available for Galaxy S23 series phones. It's an AI image editor that applies various types of filters to help improve your photos. It doesn't do much with photos taken in good light or that are already sharp. However, it can spruce up some less desirable photos. You import a photo into the app, use the various filters to tune the look, and then save the result if you're happy with it. Samsung intends to bring this to more phones in its lineup, so Galaxy owners should keep an eye out on this one. Number 3. Mood Journal. Mood Journal is like most other mood journals in the Google Play Store. You open the app, tell it how you're feeling, and keep up the habit to check out your mood over time. This one differentiates itself from others with having a video element. Users can take a selfie video to describe their feelings, and then play back the videos later to see how they were. You also get the usual stuff like mood tracking over time, complete with graphs, along with articles to improve your mood. It's not terribly different from what's out there, but it reshuffles some things a bit, so this one may work if others haven't. Number 4. RealZ Realmaker. RealZ Realmaker is a video editing app designed for short-form videos like you see on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. There are a ton of these on the Play Store, and RealZ adds another to the mix. It features a bunch of templates across 10 different categories. You can use them to follow trends or create videos that viewers might like to see. The app works as intended. However, the developers neglected to add in an autosave or draft save feature. Mix that in with a crash bug that's happening right now, and we recommend waiting for the developers to fix this one up a bit. However, it worked fine in testing, assuming you can avoid the crash bug. Number 5. Prosper. Prosper is a mental wellness app. It essentially helps you deal with your feelings in a more constructive way. Yes, that means it's mostly a mood journal. This one has your standard mood journal features like daily check-ins and stats over time. However, this one focuses more on the advice side of things with a bunch of videos and articles about self-care. This kind of stuff is very hit or miss generally, as some folks simply need different types of help than others. But it's not the worst example in its genre, and it may even help someone.